Hi, I'm Neha Shah from Finbar Sales, and welcome to Civic Heart, Finbar's newest landmark apartment development here in South Perth. Surrounded by the stunning Sun River, where luxury and lifestyle blend seamlessly in Perth's tallest residential tower, Civic Heart's state-of-the-art amenities spread across 3 floors are designed to elevate your living experience. Let's take a look. On the 3rd floor, you can entertain friends and family at a barbecue station, enjoy the dedicated dog play area and the dog wash, relax and unwind in the outdoor games area, or gather around the fire pit for a cozy evening under the stars. The 4th floor offers a wealth of amenities to cater to your every need. Take a dip in the 25-metre heated pool, or relax by the pool terrace. Sharpen your golf skills in the putting greens, or immerse yourself in a good book at the library. Enjoy a game of pool and table tennis in one of the 2 lounge and games rooms, or watch the latest movie and sports event in one of the 2 private theatres. Invite your friends over to dine in style in the elegant dining room. Let your children play safely in the kids' indoor and outdoor play areas. The business centre gives you the freedom to work from home or hold conferences in the meeting room. Stay fit in one of the 2 fully equipped gyms featuring reformer Pilates machines and techno gym equipment. Relax and rejuvenate in one of the 2 massage rooms. Have your practitioner come to you with a private consultation room, and sweat it out in the sauna and steam rooms, including a separate exclusive female-only sauna. Ascend to the 37th floor of the Mill Point Tower and heighten your senses upon Civic Heart's crowning masterpiece, the South Perth Sky Deck. Treating yourself and guests to mesmerising views across the shimmering river and skyline, this tastefully curated collection of private dining rooms and sky decks exclusive to all residents is yours to savour day and night. The dining room features a 12-seat dining table, adjoining fully equipped kitchens and a private bar, perfect for hosting memorable gatherings. The roof terraces offer an unparalleled experience of the Perth skyline. These expansive spaces are thoughtfully designed for relaxation and entertainment. At Civic Heart, the exceptional amenities are designed to enhance your lifestyle and provide unparalleled comfort and convenience. Discover your new home where luxury meets leisure and every day feels like a retreat. To find out more, head to our website, civicheart.com.au.